Hi, I'm Christina Baricelli, Hairdo Brand Ambassador, and here to teach you quick and easy ways that you can use hair extensions and hair accessories to complete your look. This is the Long Wave 23-inch wraparound pony. Lots and lots of long, beautiful hair. Great for any girls' night out or special event that you might have. Let me show you exactly how to put this in. First, you want to decide on where you're wearing your ponytail. Gather your hair and secure it with an elastic band. Begin by placing the three-prong comb just underneath your elastic band. Wrap the free side around your elastic band, followed by the wraparound pony side. Squeeze it together to secure. Now, to camouflage, continue to wrap around. Use a bobby pin to tuck it into place. There you go, perfect. Now enjoy your long wavy pony.